I will tell you right now, this video is going to consist of a lot of deep breaths because a lot has changed since the last time I posted on my channel. 2020. She's really been coming at her neck. It's too much. It's just too much, okay? But here comes another deep breath. In the true fashion of my channel, we're going to keep it lighthearted. We're going to keep it fun. In no way is this a funny manner. Like, of course, you know, the occasional tweets and the memes, they're nice to just get your mind off of things and, you know, be lighthearted about it. But this is very serious. It's concerning, and my heart goes out to every single person that is affected by it, that has caught, oh, I don't even think I said it, the coronavirus. Yeah, I'm just seriously, like, I'm extending the biggest hug to every single one of you guys watching this right now. Alrighty, you guys, here's a quick intermission. I realized in the upcoming clips I say the word a lot many times, so here's a quick game we can play. Take deep breaths every time I say the word a lot. Alrighty, let's get back to the video. Right now, it's just a lot. It is really a lot, and I hope that you guys are all being safe and staying indoors if you can. So yeah, that's what I have to say about that. I just know that it could be a little difficult because when you're at home a lot, you're really kind of stuck with your thoughts, which can be very nice and refreshing for a lot. Like me, I'm really trying to, like, you know, take it in. But it also can be a lot for some people, and you know, thoughts vary. It could be good thoughts, it could be bad thoughts, it could just be a lot going on in your head. So I will put like links below because I found really helpful links, like hotlines if you guys need it, to speak to somebody if you're having thoughts that aren't like the best thoughts. You know, I think that's really important. And I'll also post some links to articles that include activities that you can do when you have a little extra free time. Another way that you can look at this, and how I choose to look at it, is to really tune into yourself and take advantage of this time. It's kind of like when you run your body red. Like, that's a term that I kind of grew up, like, you know, saying. But basically when you run your body into exhaustion, you know, like before you get sick or getting no sleep and you're just literally crashing, I feel like that's what's happening to the whole world. It's like you really need to just focus in on you, read, pray, because honestly that's what's keeping me calm and not feeding into any fear or panic or anything like that. Sure, it can be overwhelming. Like, seeing outside being super empty, it's overwhelming. It's a lot. It honestly makes me feel like I'm in some kind of like movie. But yeah, my heart goes out to every single person that's watching this video, no matter your situation. Like, we're gonna get through this. God has us. Whatever you believe in, I know we can get through this. Oh my gosh, this introduction is gonna be so long. I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't intend for it to be that, but you know, this is gonna be like a quarantine and chill type of video. So I'm gonna put a timestamp on where I actually jump into the video that we'll be doing today, but I just had to get that off of my chest. I couldn't come on here and act like all this stuff is not happening. So yeah, as you can see, your girl's looking a little crusty. Not my face, but my hair. I did not do my edges. I didn't do nothing to it, and that was purposely. My hair is going on, like, I'd say a month and some change. I haven't kept much track of it, but I do know that it's time to take them out very soon because I'm getting a lot of new growth, and when it's time for me to take out my hair, it starts getting like itchy and irritated, and I literally can't stand it anymore. so yeah, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to refresh your box braids. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is my first time doing this method, so I'm hoping that it goes well. So you'll either see how to do it or learn from me. But I do think if this turns out really good, it's a great hack, since we all should and probably are staying indoors for a majority of our time during this quarantine moment and self-isolation and all that jazz, to kind of like keep your hair looking decent before you can go to a salon or get them done. Because normally what I would do to refresh my hair is to like actually take out 2 to 3 rows and rebraid them. So In this video, I'm going to do a method where I am going to be retwisting them. Alright y'all, so I'm going to jump into this video. I can tell I would probably be doing a lot of chit chat, so I'm going to most likely do a voiceover for this video, but you will see all the products that I use. As usual, the products will be in my description box below. And that is pretty much it. So sit back, relax, try not to eat out all your quarantine snacks, but grab a snack and enjoy. Let's go. Alright, so I'll be using Murray's Gel Loc-Lock. Basically, it's gel to twist your hair, some H2O, and this curl control paste by Curls. Basically, use it for my edges. Love it. Does not create buildup. Smells amazing. And a brush specifically for your baby hairs. So as you can see, your girl's looking a little rough, but it's cool because we're gonna get it all the way together, okay? Alright, so I spritzed my edges with a little bit of water and I'm just lightly combing it out. I had makeup on when I filmed this video. I recommend not having makeup on just because it's annoying dabbing it off on it. Yeah. Anyways, so I'm taking my gel and I love this stuff. It smells so amazing. It's very light. It's like a jelly consistency. It does not create buildup. You'll see a little bit of buildup in my hair, but it's already there. Like in the beginning stages of my braids, I was using regular gel. That creates buildup. So yeah, but this product is so light. I love it. And what I'm basically doing is putting a very small amount on my fingertips and just twisting my hair. I noticed I twisted my hair about 2 to 3 times, and that gave it a really nice defined look, as you can see. I just couldn't stand my baby hairs not looking all the way together, y'all, so I quickly skipped to getting my paste from Curls. Again, smells so amazing too. Also a very light product, very clear, as you can see, doesn't add color, and I'm just rubbing this on. When it's like in its old stages of hair, I don't do the most with swooping or anything. I just kind of push my edges back so it's very smooth. So yeah, I'm just taking this baby hair brush. You can take a good old toothbrush that you don't use to brush your teeth and use that as well. Alright, my edges are looking a little better, so I'm happy. Going back into my Murray's Lock Gel, I'm going to just twist my hair. Like I mentioned, it took me about 2 twists. The key, I was a little shocked that I could have just zoomed up so you could get a better view, but this will show you that the key is really twisting lightly. Do not taunt your hair, don't pull it, and whenever it starts to feel uncomfortable, stop. It's just really to make the new growth not as visible and have a more cleaner appearance. So yeah, just twist your hair and that's literally it. I do want to give a little background on my hair. I have 4C hair. It is very kinky. It shrinks a lot, but it's very fine. And it can easily be managed with the slightest touch and products. Like, as you guys see, when I put on that edge control, it kind of like just sleeks back very easily. So it looks very rough, but it's not. So you have to be very gentle. With that being said, these products worked really well for me, but use whatever products you guys like to tame your edges and to lock your hair or twist your hair. I've seen people just refresh their hair with water. So it's really just knowing what products work best for you and what products do not create buildup, because you don't want that. That's the last thing you want. You just want to have a really nice, clean, polished look that's very simple. And yeah, I recommend water-based products. Personally, these products work really well for me. The gel and the pomade, as you can see, they dry clear and they really do not create a lot of buildup, at least for me. So I'd recommend them, and that's what I chose to use. And I'm really glad. My hair smelled good and it ended up looking really good as well. I just did the first 2 rows. Feel free to do as many rows as you'd like. I'd recommend 2 to 3, maybe 4. But yeah, I really like this method. As I did this, I realized I didn't have too much crazy new growth. The first row was like the most noticeable, but the more new growth you have, just focus on those hairs that are very obvious. And I am going to go in with this hair growth oil just because my hair felt very dry. Like I mentioned, I will be taking this out soon, so I don't mind, you know, moisturizing my hair. I'm not too concerned if there is a little built up. just because I'll be taking it out soon and I really just wanted to moisturize my hair and make sure it's in good standing. And this oil is very light, not heavy at all, so it shouldn't create buildup anyways. And make sure to get your synthetic hair as well. It will give a very shiny, healthy appearance, and I find that accessories can be distracting, so you can add those too. Okay, wow. I just had to finish this video with my final thoughts. I am seriously so impressed by this technique. And I think it's a really good like hack, I guess you can say, to hold you in for, I would say, a week or two. Your hair looking a little crazy is also an indicator that you do need to take it out. I don't want y'all to have your hair dropping out, so try to get it, you know, done as soon as possible, or just take them out and rock your natural fro or something like that, or a twist out, wash and go. I know it's crazy right now, so we don't got time for that. But yeah, with that being said, just be really careful and mindful. Like, even if this hack or, you know, technique, I should say, works really good for you, be mindful that you do need to take it out pretty soon. Yeah, I enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more like hair videos from me, let me know. If you want to see how I maintain and grow my hair while I have in box braids, click somewhere on the screen and I'll leave it in the description box below of a video I created a while back on how I maintain my box braids. Still very accurate to this day. And make sure to like this video if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button below. I mean, y'all did not watch this entire video without subscribing yet, okay? Right? No, I know you didn't, but just in case you subscribed already and you didn't hit that notification bell, go ahead and do so too, so you can see when your girl posts a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.